All right, it's day 4. Got my partner in crime. It's about 5:18. Headed to the gym.
We still have reindeer up, honey. We need to get that fixed.
Yeah, we do.
Reindeer got to go.
All right, so it's day 4. So I thought I would show you the kind of a schedule that I put together so that you can kind of see. This is really just to help me keep track and you know, stay on top of what exactly the routine. I'm trying to get into a routine here. So I've put the calendar and kind of my routine right here. So you can see that I even got brushing my teeth, flossing, all that stuff, because I want to establish a routine. So I've got it right here in the bathroom on my mirror. I'm going to see it every day when I wake up. I'm going to see it every day when I go to bed. And mark off the days after the day is over, and then each morning and afternoon or evening, I mark off all the different things that I get into a routine. Hopefully that will go away so that I don't need to do that, because I will have established that routine. But just wanted to give you a quick insight into all that. All right, day 4, onward and upward. So I am doing a pretty much low-calorie diet. So one of the things that I'm doing here is apple. An apple with 44-ounce glass of water. Can't see the water in there, but it's full. All right, so I wanted to share with people who like sushi, specifically sashimi tuna. So I found these wild caught tuna steaks, $4.99 for this whole thing right here at Tom Thumb, yeah, or Kroger's, and it's the real deal. So we got our little pieces right there, some wasabi sushi, and only 150 calories in this whole little steak right here. So, tip of the day. All right, day 4 is in the books. Time for bed. I will see you tomorrow.